Roughly 2.5 million light-years away from Earth lies the nearest spiral galaxy to our own, Andromeda. Also known as Messier 31 or M31, Andromeda is the largest galaxy in the local group, which includes the Milky Way, the Triangulum Galaxy, and over 50 smaller galaxies. In this video, we'll explore what astronomers know about Andromeda, its structure, contents, motion, and future. Andromeda is a barred spiral galaxy with an estimated diameter of about 220,000 light-years, making it more than twice the size of the Milky Way. It contains approximately 1 trillion stars, compared to the Milky Way's estimated 200 to 400 billion. The galaxy has a central bulge, spiral arms, and a halo filled with older stars and dark matter. It also contains a significant number of satellite galaxies, including M32 and M110. Despite its vast distance, Andromeda is visible to the naked eye from Earth under dark skies, appearing as a faint, elongated smudge in the constellation Andromeda. Because light takes time to travel, the image we see today is how Andromeda appeared 2.5 million years ago, around the time early Homo species began using tools. The light we observe comes from billions of stars, many of which are similar in size and temperature to our Sun. At Andromeda's center is a supermassive black hole, estimated to be around 100 to 140 million times the mass of the Sun. Surrounding it is a dense core populated by older stars. Further out, Andromeda's spiral arms are home to active star-forming regions, massive clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born. These regions emit strongly in ultraviolet and infrared wavelengths, allowing astronomers to study stellar evolution in real time. Andromeda is moving toward the Milky Way at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second, over 390,000 kilometers per hour. Based on current models and measurements from the Hubble Space Telescope, the two galaxies are expected to collide in approximately 4.5 billion years. The result won't be a direct star-on-star collision due to the vast distances between stars, but the gravitational interactions will reshape both galaxies. Over time, this will likely produce a new elliptical or lenticular galaxy, informally referred to as Milkomeda. Like the Milky Way, Andromeda is believed to be surrounded by a dark matter halo, an invisible sphere of non-luminous material that affects gravitational behavior. Observations of Andromeda's rotational velocity indicate the presence of far more mass than can be accounted for by visible stars and gas alone. The halo may extend more than 1 million light-years, overlapping with the Milky Way's halo, which implies gravitational interactions are already taking place. Given its size and star count, Andromeda is likely home to billions of planetary systems. Statistically, some of these may fall within habitable zones where liquid water could exist. However, we currently have no direct evidence of exoplanets in Andromeda due to distance limitations. Future telescopes may eventually resolve this mystery, especially if intelligent civilizations exist and emit detectable signals. Andromeda remains one of the most studied and observed galaxies outside our own. It provides astronomers with a nearby laboratory to study galaxy formation, dark matter, star birth, and galactic evolution. Though millions of light-years apart, our paths are intertwined, and in the distant future, we will become one. This is Interstellar Drift. Subscribe for more cosmic perspectives as we explore the wonders of our universe.